Hey everybody!
Hello! Welcome from Extraordinary Adventures. My name is Laura, and behind the camera is Scott, my husband.
I'm back here.
And today we are on the Jewel of the Seas in the Mediterranean. We wanted to give you a quick room tour. We are in a balcony room, 7128. And that is the view from our room.
That's not the view.
Wow.
We don't have an inside stateroom. We have a balcony. You'll see the view in a minute.
So to enter the room, you just insert your key card and then we enter. Come on in. Hey everybody, this is Laura and Scott from Extraordinary Adventures Cruise and Travel, and we are interrupting the video you are currently watching to let you know that not only do we create videos like this, we are also cruise travel agents.
Yes, we are.
So if you are looking to book a cruise, we would love to help you. Reach us at any of the information below.
Call us, email us, check us out on the web, Instagram, you name it, we're there.
We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure.
Oh, door's gonna slam. All right, I'm just
there we
gonna come past you as we always do.
And
turn
then,
around. All right.
Let's
start where we start, the closet. For some reason,
Closets.
that's where we seem to start. So for space, how much space do you get?
So we're on a 9-night cruise, and honestly, when I saw the storage space, I was a little concerned. But the reality is, we're on day 6 of 9, and I've had absolutely no problems with the space.
Let's open it from that
Can
side.
you get in?
Yeah. So this is my half over here, which
Plenty of storage space,
jackets and all that. And we have all these shelves, plenty of space down there as well. And if I can, holy moly, it's just a duplicate. It's a duplicate.
It's a duplicate, and then you have little storage cubby holes right here.
Yep. So it's enough to get the job done.
Yeah, it's
But the
working.
biggest problem with this area is, like Laura's showing you, it's not room for 2 people.
No.
That's the problem.
And the bathroom, like so if you...
Yeah, exactly. So you're smacking into each other.
Yeah.
But yeah, you've got storage down here that we're not fully taking advantage of.
Yeah.
Storage in there. I mean, there's storage everywhere. So plenty of storage for a night.
Plenty of storage, yeah.
Oh, speaking over here, this is your vanity area.
Vanity area.
Desk area for us.
There is storage in here.
This one, yeah. Other side. There you go.
The side.
More storage there.
Which we haven't even used. Which I probably should put the...
Oh, yeah. So
we bought some olive oil.
Got in...
Greece.
Which one? Was it a Gina? Tacalon.
Yes.
Good. So she's got some wine from Greece, from Athens.
We have Greek wine as well, too.
And booze.
Yeah.
So, outlets kind of limited. You've got 1, and you've got 2. And remember, you can get one of these. It cannot have a surge protector, any kind of circuit breaker thing. As long as it's just an extension cord, it can have all kinds of ports. All kinds of ports. That's fine. That's the best way to take advantage, because when we go over to the bed, you're going to find out
there's nothing there.
There's no outlets on either side. So that's what you get for outlets. It's an older ship. Makes sense. But, comfortable chair for doing work.
Yeah, we've had no complaints at all.
Works out good.
Yeah.
Got a safe in here. If you need a safe for anything. Some more storage for our vitamins. TV.
We haven't used it once. We're in Europe, France, Italy, and Spain. How much television do you think we're watching?
That's true. That's true.
None.
That's true. Let's show them the fridge here.
Yeah, of course.
Fridge actually works, unlike that MSC ship I was on. I was so upset about. And Laura doesn't like when I compare ships, but hey, theirs didn't work, and this one does.
It's working.
It's keeping everything cold.
Yeah. And so...
Come on, keep on.
Keeping on.
And then this
we'll give you the view from Corsica,
the real view, not the view of the hallway. What is it, Queen? King? What do we got here?
It's a nice,
it's
king.
good.
Yeah, it's good.
It feels like a king.
It's comfortable.
If we had the 2 dogs in there.
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Yeah, we're both sleeping pretty good.
We've had no problem.
Yeah,
but it's probably because we're going every day. It's a 9-night cruise, and there are 9 ports.
Yeah.
So every day we're going.
Yesterday we were up at 5:50 in the morning.
Yeah.
It was not even light out.
Yeah.
I've never done that on a cruise in my life.
So, and show towel animal.
Oh, we got a little friend for you. Well, I guess if I'm over here, I'll show the seating area. Small little table. Works out, It's not a bed. It's not one of those rooms.
No, but it's a nice little couch.
Laura's got her little hooks. Don't forget
That's
to buy
a little tip. Bring magnetic hooks.
Yep.
The walls are magnetic,
Whoop, whoop.
and you can...
and then if your husband touches it, it falls. So don't let your husband touch the hooks. But if your wife touches the hooks, they work fine.
They work great.
Yeah. Don't hang things from these things.
No.
Like it says right there.
It will set these
Don't be that
sprinklers
person that
and
hangs things from things and breaks the ship.
Oh dear, no.
Please and thank you.
Thank you, right?
But you got to be creative, because you don't see our suitcases, and it's because they're under the bed. So you've got to be creative like that. I've got my my suit. What do you call it? Like a computer bag, whatever.
Computer bag.
You got to find little places to tuck things. You got some more space next to the bed. So it's it's not a big room. I think 160. I think roughly.
It's
so it's not huge,
honestly,
but it gets done.
It's getting the job done.
Yeah.
And we picked this cruise for
The itinerary.
The itinerary and the views. And so let's show you some
Balcony's
views.
been a good size.
The
which,
balcony is
sometimes,
amazing.
sometimes
Nice.
a sore spot because you can't. I mean,
Sometimes they're like this big,
Yep.
but ours is nice. You can totally
size.
relax and give them a quick view of Corsica.
getting out here, just finishing this plenty of room balcony here.
Yes.
And then here is
Ah.
Corsica.
So we ate lunch right over there where
beyond
the
those boats.
Yeah, so nice. I had some French. I had some French pasta. It was really
Carbonara.
good. Yeah.
That's French?
Yeah, it
I
is.
thought carbonara is Italian.
I'm 90. I mean, I know. I'm sure the
Somebody tell us in the notes,
people
but
are
I'm
gonna
pretty sure it's
correct us.
Italian.
Okay.
But it could be French. I don't know.
You know,
I had pizza again for the third or fourth time.
15th time on this cruise.
We're in Europe. We're gonna get pizza. It's gonna happen.
You're in France.
That's Europe.
French
Still
pizza.
Europe.
Yeah. French pizza.
Still the best pizza we have is in Germany.
It was true.
It was really,
That
really
was
good.
true.
All right, and then you got the nice mirror for getting done. But here's the thing everyone always waits for is the bathroom.
Yeah.
That's probably where you feel the space constraint the most.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
I agree.
Shower doesn't have a
So-
curtain, so that's a plus.
No, that is a plus. But
I need to open it up to bend over to get to my ankles. It's not because
Yeah.
of that, it's because I'm tall. And
I hit,
yeah, I mean, it's snug.
but
It's snug. But it does have a shower dealy thingy
Wand,
head thing.
a wand,
So you can get to the nether regions.
Yeah.
Which is good.
I like wands.
Temperature's been good. Pressure's a little light.
Yeah.
Temperature's been good though.
Yeah.
I've been using that for the first time ever. I usually
Air and
bring my
body
own jug.
wash? I bring my
It's
own.
been working out. It's been
Yeah.
working out. Toilet's doing its thing. Normal Royal Caribbean toilet. All your junk down there. This side does not have a storage area.
No, but this one does.
So you have to share one, which I was a little bummed about. All right.
It's working.
Yeah, I mean, right. We're having to share a little more than usual. Usually have her side, his side. Sink's a little small, but temperature's good, pressure's good. Not much to say other than it's a little tiny.
Yeah.
But I mean, not as tiny as Virgin's was. That's a brand new ship.
That's true.
So I think with that, I know this was going to be short. There's not a lot to say. It's working condition. Everything's clean. No rough spots. No weird paint jobs like the Carnival cruise I had.
Yeah, nothing falling down.
The only thing is that one closet door wasn't quite closing well.
Yeah, but now it's magically, maybe they fixed it.
Maybe. But otherwise, it's a standard quality Royal Caribbean balcony room.
Yep.
Like it's been going on for 20 years.
Yep.
So, no complaints. Anywho, so don't forget to do what?
Like and subscribe and share and tell your friends.
Bing, bing, bing.
Bing, 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 bing.
No.
Notification bell.
There you go. I'm
You're
not
like-
just pinging.
You don't see Scott by the camera. He's like, bing, 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 bing.
Notification bell on, so that we know when things are happening. We've been doing a lot of shorts lately. Don't forget,
have.
a lot of
We've
shorts.
been
Check
doing
out
a
our
lot of
shorts.
shorts,
That's
yeah.
where you're going to see most of the places that we're going. Most of the
The day,
so
yeah.
check that out. All right, so then that's
Yeah.
it for now. We'll see you on the next one. Ship
Bye.
tour and review. Bye bye.